Hi everybody, I'm Erin with Erin's Faces, and today we're talking about our new foundation brush. So let's get real for a minute. Our foundation brush, the old one, was our first item that I ever had in our line. So this was a big deal for me to replace her emotionally. And literally I was like, that brush is a great brush. Why am I gonna replace it? So, because we could have done the same shape, you know what I mean? With this new group of brushes that we're doing. But I was like, there were times over the past few years where I was like, I want something that blends a little bit more. The other brush was a little more rounded. I love that this has a flat top. It really allows you to smooth your product out even more effectively. The brushes are all synthetic and they all have FSC certified sustainably harvested wood handles. So they're good for you. I love this brush because it can give you a really sheer finish to your product, or it can give you more coverage. You can use this with any of your cream or liquid formulas. It's gonna work with foundation, tinted moisturizer, CC cream, BB cream, all that stuff, and cream foundations too that are like in a pan. It also works really beautifully for cream and liquid blushes too. It's just a really good complexion liquid cream brush. Here's how I do it. I have like a pea-sized amount, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pick up a piece of that, and then this is key. Wherever you want less coverage, you're gonna do circles. Wherever you want more coverage, you're gonna do stippling things, like you're doing a stencil on a wall. And okay, that's for more coverage. So for me, that's gonna be chin, probably a little nose, etc. Okay, so I'm gonna do swirlies. Let's tuck this. Okay, swirl. I'm using the iPad as my mirror. I'm gonna pick up some more. And I've got lots of fun things over here for you. And what I like about this brush is it really allows you an airbrush finish without using an airbrush, because who freaking is gonna do that? I remember when I used to work at stores, makeup stores, they would sell airbrushes, and I was like, that's really cool, but no one's gonna actually do that every day. And some people did, but. So I'm just gonna get a thin layer all over my face. Picking up some more. And I like this brush because it really, like, you get more movement with it. You get some, like, I don't know, it just blends really, really well. So here you can see I'm starting to kind of push it in where I want some more coverage. I'm just literally going boop, 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 boop. And I'm not gonna worry about like perfect coverage because I'm gonna come back with concealer. But if I was using this as my concealer, then I would just get a little more intricate, like under the eye, where I haven't even hit it yet because I'm gonna come back. But around the nose and the chin, for me, that's where I need extra coverage. A little more. So yeah, I'm using all of that pretty much. It's as if you're like doing your makeup. If you want a more sheer finish, you just use less product. That's it. And you swirl everything. You don't push anything in. It's all swirly, okay? And you could go up under the eyes. You could use it there, absolutely. Again, I'm doing little baby pushes. I don't really have any product on my brush at this point, because I know that I'm coming back for concealer. Okay, it's super easy. So that's how that works.